So I've never liked wearing watches, especially to sleep, and I always end up taking them off at night, which means I miss out on the most important data for me, which is my sleep. So I wanted something that could track everything without me even having to think about it. And that's where this comes in, the Lunar Smart Ring. So this is the Lunar Smart Ring in Lunar Black, and instead of wearing something bulky on your wrist all day, this just sits on your finger and it tracks everything in the background. Despite being such a small device, it's actually able to track sleep, recovery, activity, and health metrics, and it's all happening automatically, including overnight, which is something I've never been consistent with before, and that alone makes it much easier to actually stick with. And something else that I really like is that there's no monthly subscription fees, and the app is actually free for every single feature. What I didn't expect though is how much more useful the data actually is, because this doesn't just track your health, but it actually explains it. And that's where this gets really interesting. Inside the app, you've got something called LifeOS, and this is basically an AI health coach built around your own data. So instead of just looking at a graph and trying to figure it out for yourself, you can literally ask it any questions about it. So you can ask things like, why am I so tired today? Or did I actually sleep well last night? And it looks at everything from your sleep stages, your heart rate, HRV, and even your skin temperature trends, and it gives you answers that actually make sense. Now, it's not just numbers in a graph, but it's actually analysis delivered in a simple, easy to understand form. So you can literally ask it anything about the data, and you're not just guessing anymore, you actually understand what's going on. Now, another thing I've been using quite a lot is the voice AI integration. You can literally just say, hey Siri or hey Google, track with Luna, I had a coffee at 4 p.m. or I took a supplement at 6 p.m. and it logs it straight into the app in seconds. And this is so much faster than adding it manually, and it just means I don't have to open anything, type anything in, or try and remember to put it in later. And once you start doing that consistently, it actually improves the insights as well, because it's got a lot more context around your daily habits. Now, in terms of the ring itself, one of the reasons I've been able to wear this all of the time is just how small and lightweight it is. It's only around 3 to 5 grams depending on the size you pick, and just under 3 millimeters thick. So once it's on your finger, you just barely notice it. Now, before ordering your ring, you order the sizing kit so you can ensure it's the right size and fit for you. And it's also recommended to wear the sizing kit overnight before placing your order, as your finger size can fluctuate throughout the day. Now, it's made from titanium with a PVD coating, so it also feels solid and premium, but it's still really comfortable to wear all day and night. And because the inner ring is designed to be non-allergenic and seamless, it doesn't irritate your skin either, even when you're wearing it 24/7. Now, it's also water resistant as well, up to 50 meters, so you don't have to take it off for things like washing your hands, showering, or even swimming. And battery life has also been really solid. You're getting up to 5 days on a single charge. When you do need to top it up, it takes around 60 to 80 minutes to fully charge. It comes with this charging case as well, which has its own 580 milliamp battery, so you can recharge the ring multiple times without needing to plug anything in. And with this case, the ring can last up to 30 days, so realistically, you're not thinking about charging at all. Now, everything connects through the app using Bluetooth Low Energy, so it stays efficient in the background, and it works with both iOS and Android, which is great. Now, it also updates firmware automatically through the app, so you're always getting the latest features without doing anything. And the app is also easy and intuitive to use. So we've got the homepage, which gives you information on readiness, sleep, activity, stress, heart rate, and your workouts. And then with any of these sections, you can select them and drill into all the details behind the scores, or you can simply select them from the tabs at the bottom as well. So for sleep, you can see I get an overall sleep score with the sleep needed and my actual duration. It then breaks it down into REM, deep sleep, efficiency, duration, latency, restfulness, and circadian midpoint. And we've also got a health monitor to show all the stats as well. We get a graph of the sleep stage analysis, which shows you where you were in different sleep states and where you woke up, along with a sleep summary below that. And then we've also got some trend graphs, but as we covered earlier, you can also ask for simplified or detailed information from LifeOS. Now, for readiness, we get a readiness score, resting heart rate, HRV, skin temperature, and respiratory rate. And below that, we've got all of the contributing factors that make up the score. For activity, we've got the score, goal progress, total calories, steps and distance, and again, all the contributing factors and analysis below that. And then in terms of the hardware that gathers this data, it comes from an optical heart sensor, comes from a blood oxygen sensor, a PPG sensor, a skin temperature sensor, photodiodes, and a 3-axis accelerometer. But honestly, after using it for a while, I think the biggest thing for me isn't the hardware, it's just how easy it makes everything to track. Now I'm actually tracking my sleep, I'm actually paying attention to the recovery, and I'm actually understanding what's affecting how I feel day to day, all without changing anything about my routines. So overall, if you're like me and you don't like wearing watches, or just want something more lightweight and comfortable to track your health, then the Lunar Ring is a really great option, and the ability to add coffees and other inputs via voice commands means I actually do it instead of forgetting to do it, and it just fits into my life a lot more naturally. So if you guys want to go ahead and grab yourself the Lunar Ring today, of course I've placed a link down in the description below, and hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but if there is anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.